Picture this. Engines roaring like lions, tires gripping the pavement like it's personal, and speeds that make your grandma's Sunday drive look like a leisurely stroll. We're talking about cars that can defy the laws of physics and make you question the very limits of human ingenuity. It's a symphony of power, engineering, and downright audacity that will have your heart racing in sync with those RPMs. But hold on, because we're not just here to witness speed. We're here to celebrate it, understand it, and maybe even envy it a little. From hypercars that could make the Flash sweat to electric beasts that redefine what silence on wheels sounds like, we're taking you on a roller coaster of horsepower, torque, and aerodynamics that'll have you gripping your seat and gasping for air, in a good way of course. Ladies and gentlemen, gearheads and thrill seekers, welcome back to Car Computer Exchange. Today, we're not just talking about cars, we're talking about the kind of cars that make time itself question its space. So grab your helmets and hang on tight as we dive into the heart-racing world of speed machines that don't just break the sound barrier, they shatter expectations. So, fellow speed enthusiasts, adrenaline junkies, and anyone who's ever dreamed of giving a jet a run for its money, get ready to feast your eyes on a parade of automotive excellence that'll leave you breathless. The world's fastest cars are revving up, and we're inviting you to take the front row seat. Subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and prepare to be blown away, because today, we're going full throttle into the future of speed. Welcome to the ultimate showcase of the fastest cars of 2023. Let's burn some rubber. Pagani Huayra, a symphony of speed. Let's kick things off with a car that's not just fast. It's a symphony of power and elegance. Meet the Pagani Huayra, a name that practically screams speed. Imagine revving up that engine, feeling the adrenaline, and within the blink of an eye, you're already at 238 miles per hour. Yeah, you heard that right. It can go from 0 to 60 in a jaw-dropping 2.8 seconds. That's quicker than deciding what to have for breakfast. And it's not just about raw speed. The Huayra is a maestro of engineering. With a 6.0-liter V12 engine churning out a whopping 720 horsepower, this beast is paired with a 7-speed automated manual transmission that shifts gears faster than you can blink. It's like having a conductor in your engine bay, ensuring all that power hits just the right notes. Koenigsegg CCXR, power and sustainability. Picture this, a car that's not only lightning fast, but also eco-friendly. That's the Koenigsegg CCXR for you. It can hit 254 miles per hour, which means you could probably outpace a jet on the runway. And guess what? It runs on E85 ethanol fuel. Yeah, that's a renewable and sustainable source of energy. Talk about speed and responsibility shaking hands. Under the hood, there's a 4.8-liter V8 engine belting out 1,004 horsepower. This thing means business. Its aerodynamic design ensures it slices through the air like a hot knife through butter. And trust me, it's butter you want to spread on the road. Aston Martin Valkyrie. Beauty meets speed. Who says you can't have beauty and speed in one package? Enter the Aston Martin Valkyrie, a car that looks like it just stepped out of a futuristic dream. At 250 miles per hour, this thing is not just turning heads, it's leaving them spinning. It's like Cinderella's carriage, but instead of a pumpkin, it's powered by a 6.5-liter V12 engine coupled with an electric motor, turning out a jaw-dropping 1,160 horsepower. This isn't just a car, it's an orchestra of power. And don't think for a moment that this beauty can't handle curves. With exceptional aerodynamics, it hugs the road like your favorite cozy sweater. Oh, and did I mention there are only 150 of these out there? Yeah. It's like owning a piece of automotive history. Koenigsegg Regera, the pinnacle of exhilaration. Hold on to your seats because the Koenigsegg Regera is about to redefine your idea of speed. With a top speed that exceeds 250 miles per hour, it's like strapping a rocket to your ride. And the secret sauce? A twin-turbocharged V8 engine teamed up with not one, not two, but 3 electric motors. That's a power-packed party under the hood. We're talking over 1,500 horsepower. But speed isn't the only star here. The Regera's lightweight design makes it as nimble as a cat chasing a laser pointer. And those curves, they're not just for show. They're engineered for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. If speed had a red carpet, Regera would be walking it like a superstar. Alright, speed enthusiasts, buckle up and hold on tight. Can you believe we're just halfway through this wild ride of mind-bending speed and jaw-dropping power? So far, we've seen cars that could give a rocket a run for its money. But do you think we've reached the ultimate speed demon yet? Keep those engines revving, and let's dive back in to find out. Rimit Never, Electric Thrills. Now, let's talk about the Rimit Never. It's like the future of speed arrived early, and it's rolling on 4 wheels. At over 250 miles per hour, it's not just fast, it's like a lightning bolt with wheels. And here's the twist, it's electric. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Underneath that sleek exterior are 4 electric motors, producing a mind-bending 1900 plus horsepower. Yeah, your hair is going to need a seatbelt. And don't worry about running out of juice. This baby comes with a substantial battery pack that delivers both speed and range. It's like driving tomorrow's car today. SSC Strakka, a supercar's mastery. Imagine a car that's not just fast, but also holds a record-breaking speed of over 300 miles per hour. That's the SSC Strakka, a car that's basically giving physics a run for its money. With a 5.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine putting out 1,750 horsepower, it's like strapping a hurricane to your wheels. And that aerodynamic design, it's like the car itself is giving the wind a high five. The SSC Strakka is not only a speed demon, but also a master of aerodynamics. Its sleek design allows it to slice through the air effortlessly, making it feel like you're driving in a futuristic dream. With its impressive horsepower and record-breaking speeds, the SSC Strakka truly redefines what it means to be a supercar. Hennessy Venom F5, redefining performance. The Hennessy Venom F5 isn't just a car, it's a symphony of speed and power. With its 6.6-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine roaring to life, it's like having a lion under your hood. And that power? Oh, it's not just power. It's over 1,800 horsepower kind of power. With a top speed aiming to surpass 311 miles per hour, it's rewriting the dictionary of fast. But don't think it's all brawn and no brain. The Venom F5's aerodynamics are so meticulously engineered that it's like having a personal wind tunnel experience. And those gear shifts? They're smoother than a double espresso on a Sunday morning. Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus. Beyond boundaries. Now, let's talk about the Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300 Plus. With a quad-turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 engine producing 1,578 horsepower, it's like having a herd of horses ready to gallop. And then top speed? It's not just 300 miles per hour. It's like breaking through a speed barrier. This car doesn't obey the laws of physics, it rewrites them. But it's not just power, it's elegance too. The Chiron's exterior is sculpted with aerodynamics in mind, making it as sleek as a bullet. And inside, it's like stepping into a world where luxury and speed hold hands. Koenigsegg Absolute, Speed Unleashed. And finally, we have the Koenigsegg Absolute, a car that's not just about speed, it's about breaking records. With a top speed that's aiming to surpass 300 miles per hour, it's like a cheetah on caffeine. The 5.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine generates a staggering 1,600 horsepower. It's like the car's throwing a horsepower party. And the engineering? It's like every curve and every angle have been fine-tuned to perfection. This car doesn't just move, it glides. So buckle up, because the Jesco Absolute isn't just a car, it's a one-way ticket to the future of speed. As our adrenaline-packed journey comes to a screeching halt, remember that the world of speed is ever-evolving, and these cars are just the tip of the speedometer. So keep your eyes peeled for what's next in the race towards automotive perfection. Who knows what groundbreaking innovations await us in the pursuit of even greater speed and performance? The future is fast, and it's only getting faster. So, if you're as exhilarated as we are and craving for more heart-pounding content, hit that subscribe button right now to Car Computer Exchange. Don't miss out on the excitement of automotive excitement. It's going to be a wild ride you won't want to miss. Stay tuned, speedsters!